It's been almost a year since Samsung launched the Galaxy Z Flip5 and the Z Fold 5. We were actually in South Korea for the launch of the foldable devices at the Galaxy Unpacked event last year, which you can check out if you haven't. So there's no question that the Galaxy Z Flip5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are great phones even to this day. But some of you might be wondering how the foldable smartphone has fared after a year of constant use. What's up guys, Zay here from Yugatech. In this video, we'll be revisiting the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 once again. This particular Z Flip5 has been with us for almost a year or around a year by the time this video releases. And it's been used as a daily phone, meaning we've flipped through the handset open and close multiple times, putting their hinges to their paces. We've even accidentally dropped this phone a few times as well. Sorry Samsung. But hey, more importantly, the phone is fine, so spoiler alert. How has the phone held up after almost a year? Now, we think anyone's main concern would be the hinges that make this phone possible. While we can do a lot more with the larger cover screen, we still need to open it up to get things done after all. And after around 8 to 9 months of continuous use, we must say, the hinge still feels nice and strong. That's considering we have dropped this a few times and sometimes use it as a fidget toy. Well, me in particular. When bored, we open and close the screen from time to time just to keep our hands busy, just like what I'm doing right now. Another thing you're probably wondering about the Galaxy Z Flip5 is the main screen and whether or not new creases have formed. It's an issue that's plagued all folding screen smartphones or foldables for that matter, and we can honestly say it remains hardly noticeable just as we got it out of the box. The one on our unit is still very bright and the crease is still very much the same as before. With that said, we can attest that the dynamic AMOLED 2X display panel itself is just as nice and beautiful as when it first got here. Since the screen no longer lifts up at the hinge, watching videos and playing games still feel great. And speaking of games, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 8GB of RAM on the Galaxy Z Flip5 still handles all of my daily needs very well. The phone hasn't slowed down, even with a lot of storage space being used up. Well, mainly for games. I can still play Genshin Impact without any issues and the loading times didn't slow down either. No frame rate drops or lags, making it great to play when I'm on the go. I mean, I even played the new Wuthering Waves, so it still does it pretty well. At the same time, we've even updated the OS to One UI 6.1 with Galaxy AI, and we haven't really noticed any issues with that either. The cameras still take nice photos in almost all scenarios, and here we can check out some of the sample photos we've taken over the year. And as you can see, still looks great, right? As for the battery of the Galaxy Z Flip5, it still seems to be holding out good. It still lasts us almost an entire day before needing to recharge. But for a more accurate representation, we decided to run PCMark's Work 3.0 battery tests once more, and here are the results we got. It's still a pretty good score considering how small the battery is and how many charging cycles it has been through. There's no doubt our unit of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 is still going strong, even almost after a year. With that, you don't have to worry about the durability of this phone, even in the long run. In terms of updates, this phone comes with up to 4 years of software updates and 5 years of security updates, which means users will eventually be able to upgrade as far as Android 17. Now, if you have been considering buying one recently, Samsung now includes a pair of free Buds2 Pro when purchasing at any authorized Samsung store. As for the price, well, it's still the same. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 starts at 64,990 pesos for the 256GB variant. If you need more storage, there is a 512GB variant available as well. And you can even take advantage of their trade-in offers to get more discounts, making the phone a lot more affordable. You can also visit the Samsung store nearest you to try out the phone in person and see if this phone is for you and whether it fit your lifestyle. Given everything we said about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5, would you consider picking up a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5 today? I mean, it still offers great value for money for all things considered, especially with the discounts, and Samsung did a great job of making this phone a lot more durable than ever before. But what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5, especially almost a year after its launch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, do drop a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, and of course, visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.